Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the best 5 IDE for Python and JavaScript in this year. The first one I will tell you in the best 5 IDE for Python. In this topic, I referred from geek4geek.org and I have concluded some detail. Okay, the first in 2020 on this year, the first rank of IDE is PyCharm. PyCharm was developed by the Czech company JetBrains. In a good point, is fast and safe refactoring and smart code, but sometimes it may be hard for beginner. And second is Spider. Spider or Scientific Python Development IDE. It is mainly used by data scientists who can integrate with Matplotlib, SciPy, NumPy, Pandas, and so on. In good point is ability to search and edit the variable from graphical user interface. And the third is Eclipse PyDev. PyDev is written in Java, but you can install plugin Python too. And PyDev is stable and provider good performance. In a good point is good syntax, high writing, and remote debugger. And the fourth is IDE. IDE comes by default with Python. It don't need to install, and this IDE is suitable for beginner. In a good point is core stacks, clear visibility, and the last is Wing. Wing created by Wingware, and it is faster and stable. In a good point is automatic, multi-process, should process, remote debug process, refactoring, and so on. In the second topic, I will tell you about the best 5 IDE for JavaScript. JavaScript is a language for web developer. It has some tools that is benefit for create or maintain websites. In this topic, I refer from jervis.com. Okay, the first length of JavaScript IDE is VS Code or Visual Studio Code. VS Code is not a full work environment and not a many work planning feature. In order that, it has a first-class debugger which comes in very handy when dealing with Node.js and JS-based applications. And second is WebStorm. WebStorm made from JetBrains free software is not free. The price starts from €59 per year for individual user and €129 per year for company. But WebStorm has many great features. For instance, refactoring, excellent navigation, and code completion. The third is Atom. Atom is built by GitHub and has a great deal of support from Facebook. Sometimes Atom is slow even on powerful machines, especially if the packages are not appropriately managed. But if you do a proper project, set up it will help the work immensely. The fourth is Bracket. Bracket is editor from Adobe. This editor is light and quick. It has an excellently intuitive interface and suitable for beginner. And the fifth is Commodore. Commodore is a relatively minimal distinct and quick IDE and has full set in debugging, unit testing, and custom workspace. But in Python, PHP, Perl, TCL, Go, Ruby, Node.js, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS is limited capacity. In downside, that is pricing range from $7 a month for personal to $490 a month for enterprise. Okay, all of these the best Python JavaScript IDE in this year in 2020.